Greetings, curious minds. FarmTech Unleashed is your guide to the dynamic landscape of heavy machinery and state-of-the-art agriculture equipment. Merging the 400-ton Komatsu PC4000 excavator with the world's largest heavy-duty shears, this machine has evolved into a veritable giant. Recognized for its robust construction, superior quality, and efficient mechanisms, it finds application in expansive decommissioning initiatives involving substantial structures like former power plants, industrial complexes, and various recycling plants. Introducing the latest addition to the Earthco fleet, the Soil King Extreme 2020. This cutting-edge machine showcases the industry's newest innovations, offering unparalleled safety, flexibility, and durability in the soil and rock spreading sector. Elevate the safety and productivity of your business with the Soil King Extreme, featuring a larger capacity of 30 cubic yards for hauling lighter materials compared to the traditional truck's 25 yards. Equipped with a licensed metering bar, it enables remote monitoring of the position of topsoil, stone, sand, and other materials, even for administrators with disabilities. Aerofarms specializes in indoor vertical farming technology, employing aeroponic systems where plants grow in a mist environment without soil, utilizing a nutrient-rich water solution. Their vertical farms are meticulously designed to optimize efficiency and minimize waste, boasting a water consumption reduction of up to 95% compared to traditional agriculture while accelerating crop growth 2 to 3 times faster. Offering an extensive range of agricultural products, Aerofarms facilitates the accelerated growth of various crops. Cultivating a diverse array of leafy greens, including kale, arugula, and lettuce, along with herbs and microgreens in their urban indoor farms, Aerofarms leverages LED lighting to provide plants with the ideal light spectrum for growth. They rigorously control environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, and air quality to ensure optimal conditions for thriving plants. The Jacko Uniport 5030 NPK self-propelled spreader has the potential to substitute 3 to 5 tractors with trailed units. Achieving a processing speed of 8 to 10 hectares per hour, this machine features a 5,000-liter tank capacity and comes equipped with autopilot, automatic section control system, and telemetry. Incorporating the Unitrack rear axle thrusting system, it minimizes trampling, enhances precision in maneuvers, thereby reducing crop damage by up to 40%. Furthermore, the machine employs a nozzle-by-nozzle sawing control with automatic nozzle opening and closing technology, resulting in a 10% reduction in agrochemical usage. Adding to its capabilities, the 5030 NPK boasts an intelligent hydrostatic transmission with traction control and ABS. For agro-entrepreneurs involved in growing and selling leafy products, the ultimate dream is to automate the workflow for harvesting. Fulfilling this aspiration is the Easy Pack from Ortomec, an automatic packing system designed not only for harvesting but also for the subsequent production stage of arranging products in various boxes. The Schult RWP 1935 stands out as a highly versatile and efficient rotary windrower and rock picker, intended to streamline agricultural and land management operations. Its distinctive feature lies in its rock-picking capabilities, facilitated by durable and efficient rock pickers that effectively remove stones, rocks, and debris from the field. This feature proves particularly beneficial in areas where the presence of rocks could impede agricultural activities such as planting or harvesting. Enter Auto Agri's autonomous tractor, also known as the agricultural robot. This machine can be outfitted with standard Cat 2 equipment on a 3-point linkage, including PTO and hydraulics. It serves as an indispensable tool, eliminating the need for manual plowing, loosening, fertilizing, and various other labor-intensive tasks for farmers. The cairn harvester proves indispensable for the efficient harvesting of raspberries and blueberries on any plantation. Specifically designed to ensure both efficient harvesting and excellent crop quality, this full-row harvester is mounted on a tractor with a 3-point linkage. Developed with years of experience in designing and implementing machines in the horticultural sector, it features a lightweight design equipped with 2 vertical shakers with heads boasting adjustable amplitude. Cairn delivers high-quality harvesting with minimal maintenance operations and consistent operating parameters. The system of barriers and seals effectively minimizes berry losses compared to machines with similar purposes and operational principles. Additionally, the high-performance berry cleaning system ensures the removal of all contaminants. Meet the RD75, a high-tech almond, pistachio, and nut harvester featuring a special umbrella and front bin. This innovative design significantly saves time and labor by enabling fast and efficient fruit harvesting. The setup can be used with any tractor providing a power output of at least 70 to 80 horsepower. Jacko's tipper trailer in the company's XL version is a bestseller. Available with 2 18 to 22 tons payload or 3 axles 24 to 26 tons, it comes in capacities ranging from 21.9 to 30.8 meters cubed thin. The trailer is offered with 49-inch or 60-inch high sides, making it ideal for loading using a conveyor belt, especially when harvesting various crops. With a chassis width of 35 inches, the tipper trailer allows for wide wheels, featuring a straight drawbar for strength and a large steering angle, enhancing maneuverability. The Diggleman Land Roller earns its reputation as one of the heaviest and most reliable in its category, perfect for cultivating peas, beans, lentils, and creating an ideal bed of hay, grass, and silage. With a unique floating hitch system utilizing floating hydraulic cylinders, this roller provides greater flexibility when working in the field, allowing movement across uneven terrain without limiting the machine's weight, an excellent solution for various agricultural needs. If you're interested in witnessing the most efficient combines capable of delivering comfortable, productive, and safe work on slopes of up to 30%, look no further than the new Holland CX Combine in the Everest version. This technological marvel is perfectly tailored for operations on hilly terrain. The Univerco vegetable wash line incorporates an array of water sprayers, brushes, and cleaning equipment to collaboratively eliminate dirt, debris, and contaminants from vegetables. Designed to efficiently sanitize vegetables with a specialized solution that eradicates harmful bacteria and microorganisms, this fully automated wash line offers a cost-effective and efficient solution for farmers and food processors dealing with substantial volumes of vegetables. Essential for farm operations, Bale Forks facilitate the movement and transportation of large hay bales. Consisting of sturdy prongs attached to a tractor or loader, these forks enable farmers to lift and transport bales with ease. The TDD series from Govel Machine and Bale Gimbia is a popular model, suitable for a variety of bale sizes and shapes, making it an ideal choice for diverse farming operations. Big Bud tractors, known for their power and versatility, can handle a wide range of tasks such as plowing, seeding, harvesting, hauling, tilling, and landscaping. Designed to be efficient, durable, and reliable, these tractors serve as valuable assets for any farming operation, offering versatility in various tasks on the farm or ranch. Crucial in farming operations is soil preparation, and employing a stubble cultivator with a John Deere tractor significantly enhances the efficiency of this task. The stubble cultivator, affixed to the tractor's rear, serves to till the soil post-crop harvest. Its purpose is to break up the soil and blend crop residue with the soil, optimizing the preparation process. Additionally, we kindly encourage you to share, like, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thank you for tuning in, and we eagerly anticipate your presence in our upcoming video.